Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play just a one finger riff called E Ride. It's in the key of E and very simple to play, again just using one finger. So let's get started. Okay, just a fun little riff to play on the very top E string and then the string below it, the A string, just using the one finger riff. In my description below, there's a link that you can download the tablature to this riff that you can follow along or you can have later to practice. Okay, if we zoom in and look at our riff here, working with the top E string only first, you'll strum the top E string open 2 times, 1, 2, then use your first finger to press fret number 3, second finger to press number 4, and then lift off both fingers and do 2 more times, and then use your ring finger to press fret number 5 once, walk down to press number 3 once using your second finger. That completes one measure. So to play that all again, open, 3, 4, open, open, 5, 4. Okay, that's one measure. Open, open, 3, 4, open, open, 5, 4. Okay, that's one measure there. So we'll just simply repeat that 4 times. Open, open, 1. Okay, and then we'll just go down one string and do the exact same thing. We'll just do that 2 measures. Okay, after you play 2 measures of the A string, you'll go back to the E string and play it 1 time. And then you'll play it open two times, 3, 4, and then go 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And when you get to the 7th, you'll want to strum it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then open 3, 4. And then go to the 5th fret, hit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then open 3, 4. Then fret 5. And then jump all the way to 7. And then play it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to go. So if we look at that. Then you just simply repeat it. So we'll look at it all together real slow. That's 1. It's 2. It's 3. That's 4. Now go down to the A string and do the same thing. 2 measures. That's 1. Go back to the E string, do it 1 measure. Now we're going to walk it up. 3, 4, 5. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then you just simply repeat it. Okay, it takes a little practice, but just start off very, very slow. And if you need to use different fingers that are more comfortable or faster, then you can discover that kind of on your own. But this is called E-Ride, and it's a good exercise just for your fingers and to help your skill at learning how to play riffs from slow, medium to faster. So try it at different speeds, and you'll find it very fun and enjoyable to play. So if you like videos like this and like to see more of those, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription, so I can easily be found. Appreciate all my subscribers. So have a great day, and God bless you.